Well, beautiful people, welcome to the graveyard of ambition. Now that's one huge ass seagull. I mean, it looks like a chicken to me. I am in Galway today. It is a beautiful day and I am going to shoot some street photography. Whenever I go to a new place, or not even a new place, to a place where I haven't been in a while, I like, just going around, check out the streets, check out the mood, the energy, look out for some good spots without even touching the camera first. And there is always some little street that you would like to take a photo of, like this one. I don't know, you just see stuff like this and then you want to photograph it. Galway is called the graveyard of ambition mainly because the atmosphere here is so good and the people are so nice, and when you come here basically you don't want to leave anymore, you just want to stay here forever. Therefore all of your ambitions are dead, so graveyard of ambition. Let's just get warmed up here with this shot. I think this is more of a postcard kind of shot, but I like, the composition here with the bridge and the people passing by. Could be a pretty good start. I think this old lady coming, so I'm gonna try to take a shot of her. There you go. Oh, that's perfect. Just like it. You see how I framed that? I used the rule of thirds and I put her at the third on the left. I believe it's a pretty nice composition. What do you think? Now I would like to go into the city and, discover the little streets, maybe find a spot to fly the drone. At the moment I'm just looking for interesting subjects and there's plenty of them, but I don't know, it just feels like I should slow down a little bit today. Look more for compositions instead of running and gunning all over the place. Okay, just in this little street here. Oh, it's nice that people are coming and going. Oh, that's the weird thing is that on that main street, like right over there, back there, it's full of people, and you just turn right and there's nobody. See? It's literally nobody. I honestly have no idea where the fuck I am, but I love it. So right now I'm seeing this person walking in her, So you see what I did there? I was waiting for the person to come. I saw him coming and I wanted him to come and I wanted to frame him with the door right there, and I don't know, I think it was an idea. Now, to be totally honest, I feel like the streets are too crowded to get, good shots because there's so many people walking around. So I'm gonna try to walk on the side streets and see what can I get. I don't really like shooting in sunny conditions. I much more prefer when it's cloudy. there's, you know, rain and stuff. One of the things that I love most about Ireland are the colored doors. For some reason, all the buildings have very, very bright colored doors, and I really love them. You see, like those two there. Tiny take shot. Ooh, reflections. Let's take a shot at the reflection. I've been looking all over for this. This right here. This is the Seattle Galway stone. Basically, Seattle and Galway are twin cities, and there is a stone just like this one here in Seattle. And I don't know, I'm touching it right now. Maybe somebody's touching it at the other end. Who knows? It has been an amazing day. Now I totally understand why this is the graveyard of ambition. Because, to be honest, the energy that you feel in this city, you feel it in not too many other cities. I mean, I only felt it in one other city that I've ever been, and that's Bologna. But yeah, in other cities, I didn't feel this energy. Like, people are chill, laid down, they just mind their own business, and I know, it just makes you want to stay here more and more and more. If you enjoyed this video, I highly suggest that you watch one of these two here, because there's more street photography, and you'll see me in the next one.